Hello, and thank you for taking time to look at this YouTube presentation. This is going to be focusing on Excel and the VAT calculation that we can do to work out our expenses. The objective of the presentation will be to create a simple Excel spreadsheet for VAT on expenses, use formulas to help you calculate and make it very simple to use, and finally create a very easy to read layout that's easy to print out and looks professional. So for this we're using Microsoft's version of Excel, which we've got here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to produce my layout, I'm going to do the formulas, and while I'm doing it I'm going to talk you through it. So the first thing that we're going to do is record the date of the actual expense, item details. Okay, I'm going to worry about the formatting in a moment. Price, quantity, and then I'm going to work out my VAT, and then net price, which is price prior to VAT being done, and then gross. Okay, and down here I'm going to have net total, VAT total, and gross total. Okay, so there's my layout, and what I'm going to do with that, I'm just going to drag that over, we're going to make it a little bit neater. I'm then going to put some boxes around it. So up here on the home ribbon I'm going to use a thick border, and then I'm going to use 4 borders. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase the sizing of this, resize accordingly. So to resize quickly, just double click at the top, and as you can see it quickly resizes it for you. Okay, I'm going to pop some shading on here. So oops. Sorry about it. There we go. Resize these, so I've put that at 18, so I'll do the same with these. Okay, and then I'm just going to put some space in between them, so I'm just going to move these down a little bit. Okay, and then we want to pop our borders here, and double bottomed, top, and double bottom, and double top, and same top, double bottom. There we go. Okay, nice and simple. Right, so now we're going to format these. So this cell here is going to have my dates in it. So I'm going to choose the date, and I'm going to have it as nice simple full date. That one is going to be a price, so again I'll format that cell, and the price is going to be an accounting with 2 decimal places. That's going to be a number, and a whole number at that, so format that cell and pop it to a number with no decimal places on. This one, VAT, is again going to be a price, so format that cell, accounting, and for price, and the same for these two here, so I'll do these both at the same time, so select them both, format the cell, select currency, okay that. Right, so if I've got a price of £10.50 and the quantity of 2. Okay, so my VAT will be equals the price times by 0.2. So my VAT is £2.10. Now my net price is going to be my price, so equals the sum of my price times by my quantity. Okay, so that's £21. And it might also be worth insert a column there. And that will be equal the sum of my VAT multiplied by my quantity, and my gross price will be equal the sum of my net price plus my VAT. There we go. Now what I can do with that is quite simply, if I select all them and drag it all the way down, okay, fills them all in, so then I can quite easily put the price, £55, quantity of 1, and there we go, our VAT and our gross price. So the next thing to work out is our net price total. So if I do equals the sum, open the brackets and select all that there. Okay. Our VAT total will be equals the sum of all that. And our gross total will be equals the sum of all of that. Okay. There we go. Nice, simple Excel spreadsheet to work out your price, VAT, net price, total price, and your total of VAT. Simple way of breaking it all down using simple formulas. If you want to make it a little bit more neater, I'll just show you quickly. If here we type equals if, open the brackets, and we say this C5 equals blank, then blank, otherwise do our formula. And now if we drag that all the way down, okay, that gets rid of all them. If I do the same here, so equals the sum, so equals if, open the brackets, if C5 equals blank, then blank, otherwise do our sum, drag that down as well, okay, and our total, so if we say here equals the sum, and this time we say E5 equals blank, then blank, otherwise do our sum, equals if, my apologies. Okay, drag that down. I'll just do it this side as well. And what you can see what it's doing, it's basically getting rid of all the values or the blanks, just to make it look a little bit neater. So I'll do the same on this, F5 equals blank, then blank, otherwise do that sum, and drag it all the way down. There we go. And that you have an expenses spreadsheet that you can quickly, easily put all your expenses into, your quantities, and it will work out your VAT, etc. Thank you for watching. This is Neil from Set Up for IT. All the best to you all. Speak soon.